Hello friends, I Kalpesh. I am here to present the to solve the more questions which is asked in the previous year examination for NDA. So yesterday we have solved the 30 questions of the NDA to 2021 questions for the English. So today we will solve the next 20 questions that is left. So the left questions is synonyms and antonyms. So we start the synonyms. The next question is synonym. So सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि हाउ टू सॉल्व द सिनोनिम्स, how to make easy to solve these questions. So for first we estimate the options of the questions that is given to the question paper. So for like जैसे कि 31st क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, he is essentially a low bro person. Here we have find the synonyms of low bro. So we do not remove the other part of the sentence. That is most important for us, that where we find the correct answer for the question. So the question is, he is essentially a low bro person. Here the low bro means not highly cultured and lacking in refinement. So if you don't know the meaning, so you read the sentence and find that how the expression of the sentence, then you can make easy the questions. So here the low bro means not highly cultured, lacking in refinement. So proud is not to be that answer, and passionate also that is not the meaning of low bro. So the correct answer is coarse. The coarse meaning is also a lacking in refinement, that means not highly cultured. So the next question is, his nostalgia is deep. Here the question is, his nostalgia is deep. तो यहाँ पे हमें nostalgia की मीनिंग भी नहीं पता. So that question is, we feel that this is the toughest question. No, this is not a tough question. So we when we find his nostalgia is deep, so the nostalgia means that sorrowness. So sorrowness, that refers that excitement is not the nearly some meaning of the sorrowness. Excitement is a like happiness, and happiness is also a question option. Ability is not a sorrowness. So we feel that his nostalgia is deep, his sorrowness is deep. वह बहुत डीप में दुख में है. तो द क्वेश्चन इज, द ऑप्शन करेक्ट आंसर इज लॉन्गिंग. द लॉन्गिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. सो द नोस्टाल्गिया मीन्स sorrowness means longing. The next question is, his truancy is detrimental. Truancy refers to the problem or situation that absent from school regularly. Truancy means who is absent regularly. His truancy is detrimental. So the loyalty is not the truancy, because loyalty is the loyalty means मतलब ट्रुथ, जो हमेशा सही हो. इंटरग्रिटी इज आल्सो नॉट अ मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रांसी आर absently. So honesty is like a loyalty, but absenteeism meaning means वो रेगुलरली absent हो रहा है. So the truancy meaning is absenteeism. The next question is he is a maleficent person. He is a maleficent person. He, in this sentence we find that this is a like this refers that this is harm main. This sentence is like that this is a harmful, like generous is not a like harmful. Cunning is not a meaning of maleficent. Friendly is like so who is good for you. But here the sentence express that this is the not good for you, that is criminal is never good for you. So the maleficent means that productive of harm, that is criminal is the nearest meaning of this word maleficent. So the next question is his solemnity is celebrated. His solemnity is celebrated. Here the solemnity refers the state of being serious or dignified. Serious and dignified. So the dignified, so then the option D is correct because dignified, solemnity and dignified is the same meaning. Desire means ichha. Trust means vishwas. But trust means believe. So the dignity is the correct meaning of solemnity. His solemnity is celebrated. His dignity is celebrated. तो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आपको क्या करना है कि आपको डायरेक्ट मीनिंग नहीं भी पता है. इफ यू डोंट नो द डायरेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड दैट इज गिवन इन द सेंटेंस, डोंट वरी. आप उसके जो सेंटेंस कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं आप वहां से ढूंढने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. यू आर ट्राई टू फाइंड द sentences that is given around that word. So अगर आप वहाँ पे आप अपना कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे, यू यूज योर कॉमन सेंस, देन यू फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वर्ड. So this way you makes that you are easy way, you find the easy way to find the correct meaning. So the next question that is his bounty is limitless. The 36th question that is his bounty is limitless. Here the bounty means generosity that is benevolence. Benevolence, that his bounty is limitless. So here the that means is generosity, his generosity is limitless. मतलब उसकी उदारता लिमिटलेस है, अनलिमिटेड है. his bounty is unlimited. So there is gallantry is not a meaning, that meaning is benevolence is the most appropriate nearest meaning of bounty. Nepotism is also not a meaning of bounty. So the correct answer is benevolence, option number A. When we visit the next question that the Holocaust was experienced by millions. The Holocaust refers to destruction that occurred on a massive scale. Holocaust means destruction that occurred on a massive scale. Hence, option B, we see that option B is destruction. Celebration is not a meaning of Holocaust. Destruction means barrier. Construction is not a barrier. Beautiful, that means very very well. So the destruction is the correct meaning of holocaust. And next question is, his aversion is no to all. The aversion means strong dislike or disinclination. aversion means strong dislike, मतलब कि आप किसी भी वह ऐसी चीज है जिसे आप दिल से ना पसंद करते हैं, you hate that. The aversion means hate. So the meaning hospitality is not a hate. Humility, humbleness, both the meaning are like nearest. But hostility meaning unfriendly, like you are not like that, you strongly dislike that, that is disinclination. So the hostility is the correct synonym of the aversion. And the next, to be able to decipher something is wonderful. Here the decipher means that convert a coded text or signal into normal languages. He, decipher is a digital word, that is decode. Here the meaning is decode. Decipher means convert into single normal languages, signal norm in convert text or signal into normal languages. So their meaning is decode. Decipher means decode. And the last synonym of this paper is, it is the opportune time to think about investment in the real estate sector. अब यहाँ से आप अपॉर्चून दैट इज लाइक अपॉर्चुनिटी that means that is suitable for doing something. Opportune, that is suitable for doing something. So it is the opportune time, it is the suitable time to think about investment in the real estate sector. Then the honorary is not a opportunity. Appropriate, yes, that is the meaning. Opportune, this is the suitable, appropriate time or opportune time. Difficult means unopportune, that is unappropriate. Unsuitable means this is the antonyms of the opportune. So the appropriate is the correct answer. Appropriate, अपॉर्च्यून. सो यहाँ पे 10 क्वेश्चन हमने सिनोनिम्स के सॉल्व किए. आज हमने 10 के साथ साथ 10 उसके अलग से जो हमें ऑप्शंस वाले क्वेश्चन थे उनको भी हमने देखा. तो यहाँ पे जब हम क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को सॉल्व करते हैं, व्हेन वी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन पेपर वी फाइंड द मोर देन मोर. सो क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करना एक वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, किसी भी प्रिपरेशन का एक वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. तो हम अब चलते हैं एंटोनिम्स की तरफ. तो यहाँ पे हमने कल जो यस्टरडे में हमने 30 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे, दैट इज आइडियम फ्रेजेस, स्पॉटिंग ऑफ एरर्स एंड रीऑर्डरिंग ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. And the left 20 question we find here, that is synonyms and antonyms. 10 synonym questions we solved and left 10 antonym questions we will solve now. So the first antonym question, that is, his opinion is lopsided. Here the meaning is lopsided, that is not equally, unequal. His opinion is lopsided, his opinion is unequal. Partial is not like a unequal. Crooked also are not unequal. And unequal also given in the sentence. This is the synonyms of the lopsided. But हमें क्या करना है, हमें इसका एंटोनिम्स अपोजिट मीनिंग ढूंढना है. देन बैलेंस इज इक्वल. सो लॉपसीडेड मीन्स अनइक्वल, दैट इज नॉट बैलेंस्ड. सो द एंटोनिम्स ऑफ द लॉपसीडेड इज बैलेंस्ड, दैट इज इक्वल. And the next question is, his work is praiseworthy. His work is praiseworthy means deserving approval or admiration. His work is admirable, commendable. Commendable is the opposite of the praiseworthy, because commendable means blameable. Blameable is the opposite in meaning to praiseworthy. So the correct answer is B. Praiseworthy, the antonym of praiseworthy is commendable. Condemnable is the synonyms, but condemnable is the antonyms. So यहाँ पे देखिए कितनी बारीकी, वेरी, बहुत ही छोटी चीजें हमें देखने को मिली. तो यहाँ पे यही सब हमें ध्यान देने वाली चीजें होती हैं. दिस इज द पॉइंट वेयर वी आर डू दैट फॉल्ट, वेयर वी नॉट करेक्ट, वेयर वी रॉन्ग. So the next question, that is, his deeds has retrograde result. Next, here the retrograde means to revert to an earlier inferior condition. Revert to an inferior condition. So the मतलब कि यहाँ पे retrograde meaning क्या हुआ, revert to inferior condition. That means you are going back, but retrograde means you are going back, but यहाँ पे आप क्या एंटोनिम्स इसका ढूंढ रहे हैं. तो इसका एंटोनिम्स प्रोग्रेसिव मीन्स यू आर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड retrograde means you are going back. Negative means also you are going back. Retreating means also you are going back, and reverse is also the meaning that you are going back. So the retrograde's antonym, that opposite meaning is progressive. That means you are going forward. Next question is, he always offers palatable solution. That means acceptable, satisfactory solution. He always offers a satisfactory solution. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि जो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है, that means acceptable, but we are finding that is antonyms of the palatable. So agreed also means acceptable. So the correct answer is unacceptable. Palatable means acceptable, satisfactory, and unacceptable means unsatisfactory. The correct meaning is unacceptable. He always offers acceptable solution, satisfactory solution, and the opposite meaning of the palatable is unacceptable. Next question is, his views on the subject are microscopic. Here the microscopic means minute details. There is very less details. So the antonyms of the microscopic means broad-based, because broad-based means extendable, and the microscopic means minute, very less. Broad based means very large. So the correct answer is broad based. Minute means less, and broad based means great, large. Next, that is, he is always obdurate in his behavior towards other people. Here the obdurate means stubborn. Stubborn means refusing to change one's opinion. Obdurate means refusing to change one's opinion. That is unflexible. That is obnoxious. Obdurate means obnoxious. But the antonyms of the opposite meaning of the obdurate is flexible. Flexible means unobdurate. The next question is, Mohan always had profound respect for the Sohan. Here the profound means very great or intense. So that is unsuperficial. Profound means unsuperficial. That means very great or very great or very great intense. So the superficial is the correct antonym of the profound. Profound means unsuperficial, and superficial is the correct antonym of the profound. Next, that is, we were living in the turbulent times. Here the turbulent means violence, argument, wars. That means involving a lot of sudden change. Here the turbulent means violence. So destructive is the synonyms of turbulent. Unstable is not a meaning of turbulent. So the calm means shanti. Turbulent means violence. So the calm is the most appropriate antonym of the turbulent. Calm means shanti and turbulent means violence. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? वी ऑब्जर्व दैट कि हम यहाँ पे अगर हमें इसकी मीनिंग नहीं भी पता है, व्हेन वी फाइंड फ्रॉम ऑप्शंस टू द करेक्ट आंसर. तो यहाँ पे हम ऑप्शन से करेक्ट आंसर हम निकाल सकते हैं. एंड you all know that English is the scoring part of the NDA examinations, NDA written examination, and English is very important for SSB, because in SSB you are face the screening test, GTO or PGT, GTO, ground task, obstacles, and group discussions. There is a always need to English, your all communication in English. So English is the most important part of for the NDA. And the next question is, Amit is a dogmatic person. Here the dogmatic means that a person completely certain of their benefits and accepting other people to accept and expecting other people to accept them. Dogmatic means completely certain of their benefits. So the correct antonym of the dogmatic is amenable. Amenable, that means willing to accept what someone says or does without arguing. So the correct antonym of dogmatic is amenable. And the last question for this video, that is, Sachin is very fickle in his behavior. Fickle means frequently changing one's loyalty and affection. That means unstable. Fickle means unstable, that frequently change. So the stable is the correct opposite meaning of the fickle. तो यहाँ पे हमने आज 20 क्वेश्चन 10 एंटोनिम्स एंड 10 सिनोनिम्स को सॉल्व किया। तो ऐसे ही हम आपके लिए और भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस लेकर आते रहेंगे। जैसे अभी हमारी अग्निपथ बैच से जो अग्निपथ बैच के लिए एयरफोर्स एग्जामिनेशन के लिए हमारी बैच चल रही है, अग्निपथ बैच, आप उसको भी पढ़ते रहिएगा। और हमारी एनडीए और आरएमएस बैच भी स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं। तो आप लोगों के लिए हम ऐसे ही और सारी चीज़ें लेकर आते रहेंगे जो आपके लिए प्रॉफिटेबल होंगी। सो आप मन से पढ़ाई करिए और देश सेवा के लिए तत्पर रहिए। सो हमारी यही कामना है कि आप सभी अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे और देश सेवा में एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्थान प्राप्त करेंगे। सो जय हिंद, जय भारत।